Hello and good day, kids. Metal. It is Todd from ToJu. Metal is close to my heart. How are we doing today? I hope everybody's good. It is Saturday. It's a nice day out here in Iowa. On Thursday, I talked to Carrera Slots and I ordered a bunch of stuff, and it's already here today. If you've not worked with Carrera Slots before, I highly recommend you work with them. I'll put a link to their site down below. They are just awesome. So anyway, we got to do an unboxing here of a bunch of stuff. I'm kind of excited. There's a couple cars in here and a whole mess of tires. So let's go ahead and get to it. And a new item for the track, which is really cool. But I just cannot believe how quickly these guys work. And their shipping's not overpriced like some places. Get the camera a little closer here. Forgive me as I adjust the camera, gentlemen and ladies that may be watching. All right. Woohoo! I've been wanting one of these since the beginning. The Carrera start light. With as many of us that race and what have you, sometimes it's hard to see the actual start lights on the control unit, and this is just a really sweet upgrade. It looks really good and all that. So I'm going to take that start finish gantry and move it to a different position on the track and relabel it with ToJu Racing on one side and Skipper's Speedway on the other, which will make it really functional and nice. So that's cool. All right. So Dave the Hat Man got a new car, and so did I. We're going to have unboxings of these, but we'll go ahead and show you what we got. You know what? We're going to wait. This will be an unboxing, and we'll unveil it later. But I will show you what I got. I did drop a hint in one of my videos about this. Before I show that, though, look at all these Paul gauge urethane tires. There is a lot in there, and some guide Slot guide fins too. Guide keels, excuse me. Fins, keels, take your pick. So very cool. Lots of tires. I got a lot of tires to change out. I'm actually working on some pasta sauce right now with tomatoes from the garden. All right, here's my new car. I left a little hint that said da-na-na-na-na-na-na. So which one is it? That's the real question, right? Because we all know what da-na-na-na-na-na-na is, right? I am vengeance. All right, here we go. It's the vengeance one. Look at that, the Batman. If you guys haven't seen one of these on the track yet, wait till I do the unboxing. This thing is super friggin' cool. Oh man. Anyway, I'll do an unboxing of this and trying it out on the track. So just a quick little unboxing video. That's our goodies for today, but a great box of goodies, and I'm real excited to get all them Paul gauge cars. Pretty much every car is going to have the urethane tires on it now, which will be great. So see you later, Slot Cowboys. Race on, metal.